herb garden was inspired by actually my dad. So my dad is an avid gardener, and he learned how to garden from his parents, who learned from their parents. So gardening and actually sewing and quilting is in my blood. And every summer, really, we planted a garden as long as I can remember. But when I was young, I was in charge of picking out the herbs that we planted. And so it was a really fun way to memorialize, you know, these summers of walking through my herb garden and caring for it and tending for it. And it was something that I always really enjoyed, especially because something that I love is like the practical use of plants, but also sewing, right? And so it was always really fun to use those herbs later on when we were cooking or things like that. So it helped me feel useful, and it helped me feel like I was part of something a lot bigger, because my dad's garden was huge, you know, and I had my own little section of it just dedicated to herbs. So this print really is special to me because it helps me remember all these like fun memories that I have. I think Herb Garden is the perfect print for any gardener out there, whether that's a cute apron or a cute tool tote bag for when you're out in the garden. And if you're not a gardener, that's okay. This print is also beautiful for bags or wallets or backpacks. I'd love to see it as a backpack. I think that would be so cute.